Today I'm working on door panels. I'm taking these old crusty ones that I got on eBay, and I'm taking the basic door panel that you can buy that doesn't have any of the trim. It doesn't have this upper metal support on there, and converting them into a brand new full door panel.
So we're at the movies, huh?
Yep, we're at the movies. So if you buy a brand new set like this, I think you're getting close to between $700 to $1,000 for the panel. I found these basic panels at Carlisle. I think I spent like less than $200 for those. I think I spent like $50 or something on these. So basically all I need off of this is this metal piece under here, and this hockey stick. This is that top piece of stainless, the fuzzy that runs along the top. So I didn't end up using these ones because they're a little tired. I bought new ones, but the problem with the new ones is that they are perfectly straight, and these ones have a little whoop-de-doo in them. Right around the vent window area it kind of jogs out and it's at an angle. So I just bent this one up in the workmate to kind of match that contour. And then I just have a new door handle bezel, new reflector. You're going to need a couple of these little, I don't know if they're like little trim rings for the screws, and then you're going to need a lot of staples. And then you want to pay attention to the direction that these are bent, whether they go to the left or to the right or up or down, because if you bend them the wrong way when you put it back together, you can snap them off. And a good thing to do is just to break these off. I think I just grabbed them with a pair of pliers and just twisted them, and then they broke off. So I've got my upper metal support cleaned up. Just cleaned it up with some sandpaper, and that is good enough for now. And whenever you install this, you can use your old one as a reference. It lines up with this hole and this hole with these guys here, and this support goes between the fiberboard and the material. And since this is a coupe, it has this little notch right here, convertible, should go straight across. So this basic panel is the same for both, but what I have to do now is I have to remove this little insert right here. I'm not sure why they install it in this one, but I have to remove it. So what you have to do is just peel this back and peel some of these seams back so you can slide this in. And then I'll just line this up and then just use a 16th drill bit and just buzz holes in this without drilling through the vinyl. I had to trim a little bit off at the end of this. I had to do it on both of these. I just took off as much of this rolled edge because the material comes pre-cut, and whenever it's sticking out here you would have seen this slash. So, and I held it up on the car and it looks fine, like that. It looked like it would have been overhanging, so I'm not sure what was going on there. I just need to peen over the rest of these staples. Probably use a little dolly, a hammer and dolly, and just pound them over, make sure they're all nice and tight. Like I said, we have to peen these over, and the key with this is to make sure that this edge isn't sticking up down here, because if you do, you might see a seam there. So, but whenever you pull this tight and roll this over, you won't see that seam, as long as everything's nice and tight. Alright, so I'm really happy with the way this door panel turned out. You can't see the seam. There's a little bit of a wrinkle here, but that reflector holds that down and the lock holds the top down, so this will look really, really nice. It's tucked over nice up here, so now I guess I will spray this edge down, glue this edge down, and then we'll put this top piece of trim on. Well, that's going to do it for this video. The following video after this is going to be installing the hockey stick trim on the door panels, and then either in that video or following video I'll install them on the car. So be sure to check those out and subscribe to make sure you catch up on those videos too. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I still got a lot of uploading to do. And I hope everybody's safe out there in the world, and I'll catch you guys later.